Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Calendly, a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies booking appointments without the back and forth emails. Whether you're managing client meetings or team sessions, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. Set up your account. Start by signing up on Calendly and connecting your calendar, such as Google, Outlook, or iCloud. This ensures all your appointments are synced and prevents double booking. Create an event type. Click on New Event Type to design your meeting structure. Choose from one-on-one, group, or collective events. Then customize the duration, availability, and location, like Zoom or phone call. Adjust your availability. Navigate to the Availability tab to set the times when you're open for meetings. Calendly lets you block off times you're unavailable and add buffers between appointments for better time management. Share your scheduling link. Copy your unique Calendly link and share it via email, social media, or embed it on your website. Invitees can pick a time that works for them, automatically adjusted for time zones. Integrate and automate. Enhance your scheduling process by integrating Calendly with tools like Zoom, Slack, or CRM platforms. You can also set up automatic reminders to reduce no-shows. Calendly takes the hassle out of scheduling, freeing up your time for what matters most. Have you tried Calendly yet? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.